Look, this girl hides her mobile and cards under the sand at the beach and puts her shoe there as a marker. But as soon as her sister arrives there, she tells her to come near her too. The girl quickly puts on the shoes lying there and comes to her. The girl gets confused seeing those shoes on her feet, and what happened with her next is totally unexpected. But first, if this monster invaded your house, who would you save? Would you save your school bag? Ignore. Would you save your mom? Leave a like. Would you save your dad? Subscribe. Would you save your siblings? Leave a heart in the comments. Would you save your pet? Do everything and share. They dig everywhere on the beach but can't find the mobile and cards.